Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a caselet. It says that there are 6 players: Ashok, Manoj, Raju, Vinod, Dilip, and Gopal. They batted in 2 innings of a test match, and runs scored by these players in first innings are these, and in second innings are these, not necessarily in that order, right? So these are the numbers, not in the same order. X is a natural number that is also given to us. Ashok, Dilip, and Gopal are batsmen, whereas the rest are bowlers. So Ashok, Dilip, Gopal are batsmen, and Manoj, Raju, and Vinod are bowlers. Now it is given that a bowler and a batsman scored a total of 63 and 75 runs respectively. So minimum score is by, and it is given that each of the remaining 4 players scored total of more than 63 but less than 75 runs. So minimum is bowler 63, right? Maximum is a batsman 75. Okay. So this is the range of scores. And if you see the further conditions, one statement which is obviously the starting point is Ashok scored 75 with 48 in first innings. So second innings it will be 27, right? That is give you 75. So 2 scores are already known out of this. Okay, so let us formulate a table using this condition and the remaining conditions to solve the question. So let's first write the names: Ashok, Manoj, Raju, Vinod, Dilip, and Gopal, and categorize them into batsmen or bowlers. Ashok is a batsman, Dilip and Gopal are also batsmen. These 3 are bowlers. So we have first innings, second innings, and total runs. Ashok is 75 runs with 48 in first innings. Okay. Now it is given to us that Vinod did not have a total of 63 runs. Now Vinod is a bowler. There is one bowler with 63 runs. Okay, so Vinod is not that bowler. Okay. In first innings, Raju scored more runs than Ashok. Then Manoj scored more runs than Dilip. Now Manoj is a bowler and Dilip is a batsman. Okay. There is one bowler with 63 runs. Okay. Now Manoj also cannot be that bowler. So who will be that bowler? That bowler will be Raju. Right. So Raju has 63 runs. Now it is given that in first innings, Raju scored more runs than Ashok. So Raju is more than Ashok. So Ashok is 48. 48 से ज़्यादा क्या है? 52. But if you put 52, you need 11 here. Right? 11 is not given. If you take 57, you need 6 here. Right? That is not given. Okay. So only possibility is, right, if you take 15, you need 48. But it is more than 48. See, you have to match these two to add to 63. If I take 7, if you take 15, 15 plus 48 is 63, but it is more than 48, right? So only possibility is 7. 7 will fit with 56, and that will be x. Value of x, you can say that 56. So this was easy to figure out, right? So we know that x and 7 are gone, right? 48 and 27 are also gone. Now these are the numbers remaining with us. Okay, now if you read this, that Vinod did not have a, so we know that, okay, this we have utilized this. First innings, Raju scored more than Dilip. Manoj scored more runs. Manoj scored more runs than Dilip. That is also taken care of. Now, what we have to do is, we cannot find the runs of other players. We cannot find. So what we will do is, we will take the combinations so that we find runs in this range. So minimum is 63, maximum is 75. So if you take 57, now this person cannot have 20. If you take 57 plus 20, that will become 77. राइट सो इट विल बी 57 प्लस 15. सो एक प्लेयर होगा जिसका स्कोर होगा 50. वी डू नॉट नो हु दिस प्लेयर इज. ओके, बट वी विल जस्ट फाइंड द कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ रन्स. Okay, then we have 52. 52 can go with 20 only, because if you take 52 with 37, and these are more than 75, so 52 will go with 20 and make the combination as 72. Okay, now we have 34 Okay, so if you take 34 with 33, okay, that 67 is fine, but 40 cannot go with 37. If you take 40 with 37, that becomes 77, right? So 40 will go with 33. So 40, 33, 73, and the remaining person will be 34 and 37, which adds up to 71. Okay, now we know that Manoj scored more runs than Dilip, so this cannot be Manoj, right? So Manoj can be 72 or 73. We do not know any of these, right? We just know that this cannot be Manoj, others can be anything. Now let us answer the questions based on it. Which of the following cannot be the total number of runs scored by any of these players? We know the 71 is a possible total, 72 is a possible total, 73 is a possible total, 70 is not possible. Okay. If Dilip scored more than 50 runs in the first innings, how many runs did Manoj score in the second innings? Okay. Now Dilip scored more than 50 runs. So Dilip can have scored. This is possible. This is also possible. So we do not know which one is Dilip. But we know that Dilip has scored 72. अगर ये 50 से प्लस है, so either this is Dilip or this is Dilip. It does not matter. Dilip is scoring 72. So that means Manoj should score 73. Right? If Manoj scores 73, in the second innings, he scores 33 runs. Okay. Now, the next question is, what is the maximum possible runs scored by the three batsmen in all? Okay, so we have to find the total possible score of batsmen. Now we know that one person we know 75. We have to find the remaining two persons. Now, if we see this person, if you consider 72 and 73, is it possible to have 72 and 73? Manoj scored more runs than Dilip. Suppose I took the batsman as 72 and 73. Let's just taking an example. So Manoj should score more than Dilip. So Dilip will be either 72 or 73. Manoj has to be more than this, right? If you take 72 also, Manoj 72 is not possible. Okay, so I cannot take 72 and 73. Okay, so what I can take is I can take 72 and 72 maximum, because if I take 72 72 Manoj this can be 73. Okay, or I can also take 73 71, right? If I take 73 71, I'll have to consider this Dilip, and Manoj can be any of these. If I take 72 and 72, right, so in that case Manoj will be this person, Dilip can be out of these, right? So in either case, if you take, right, 144 is the maximum total. 144 plus 75, total will come as 219. You cannot get 220 because I'll explain again. If you take 72 and 73, in that case what will happen, that these two are batsmen, Manoj is a bowler and he has to score more than Dilip. So if you take 72 and 73, right, Manoj has to be minimum more than 72, which is not possible. So you can only take either 72 72 or 73 71. Whichever case you take, you will get the total as 219 only. So this is the solution to this set.